My assistant today is Rihanna. Yeah, she's famous. So anyway, we're gonna do some jazz uh, rhythms, stuff like that, so you can learn basic jazz. All right. So this is a basic thing. Right there, and you can start doing. I'm doing this with brushes today, so it will slow and smooth. So the trick of the brush is that you can do like a stick, or you can do the brush thing. And lower a little bit. There you go. And you can go. And the hi-hat. How basic it is. Ta 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 ta. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 5. Ta ta ta. You can do the whole thing just by in the snare drum. And just slow, smooth jazz. You can double the tempo. 120, 220. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, pa, pa. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, you can do all the things add on and add on. I'm using bass drum, snare drum, first thumb, 12 inches, your choice, and one hit, two stroke. Very basic. Ta 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 ta. Oh, you can do the basic. So you can see you can move from right to hi-hat, toms, your choice. Be creative all the time, and just be simple. Keep it simple all the time. Just keep it simple. Alright? Well, that's it for now. Appreciate it for your time. And like I said, subscribe, have some fun, ask questions, have a good day, and be safe.